Hello everyone, before I get started with this video, I want to use this opportunity to say Happy New Year, and 2024 will be better than 2023. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download fonts and install them into Pixellab. Without no further ado, let's get started with this video. But wait, before we get started, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when next I post a new video. Now let's get started. So the first thing we'll be doing is to open our browser and search this website called dafont.com. There are so many websites you can use to download fonts, websites like Google Font, Bfont, but I prefer dafont.com because it's easier to download and it's very easy. That's why I prefer it, and there are so many fonts there, let me not lie. So once you've written dafont.com and you search it, you click on the first option you see. So once you open it, you see that you're already in the website and you see so many fonts already, like so many fantastic fonts. I think I will be downloading the first one for the purpose of this video, the one that says Fanist. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but the first font, that's this one. That's the one we'll be downloading. So you click on this download option here. Once you click on the download option, you wait for it and the download option will come out to show that it has downloaded. So you just go to your downloads. The fonts you download from dafont.com usually come as zip file, so we'll be needing an external app to help us unzip this file. So what we'll do, we'll tap on it. As you can see, there are options down showing me which particular one to use, but for this video I'm going to advise that you use the Z Archiver, you use the app. So you click on it to open. Now it will open. You can get the app from Play Store. So now you select the font, then click on this icon down here. Once you click on it, you select the part you want the font to be. So I'm going to just place it in my normal, like my phone storage. I'll just click on my phone storage and just click on this icon here. So remember, I click up here, then click on device on storage, then I just pasted it here. So as you can see, we successfully extracted the font. So the next thing now is to head to our Pixellab and install it there. Now that we are in Pixellab, the next thing we'll be doing is to install the font. Unlike before, I don't know, since Pixellab have been updating. Before, if you just unzip the font using that Z Archiver app, it will automatically be on your Pixellab. But ever since I updated my Pixellab, I don't know, I have to go and install the font manually by myself. So can you remember the font we just downloaded, or you forgot it? Well, if you've forgotten the font we've downloaded, yeah, it is. This is it. I can't pronounce it very well. It's fun. Okay, I can't pronounce it. So now let's get started with installing the font. So the first thing we'll be doing is to bring in our text. So we go to our text editor and click on the plus icon there, and I'm going to be writing CE graphics. So just increase it doesn't matter with the size. So now the next thing, we'll go to font. As you can see, I have a lot of fonts, but we just imported one, so we have to install it. I just downloaded one, so we have to install it. So now the first step to install font into Pixellab is to click on this part here. Once you click on it, you just click add directory. So while we are putting the directory there, so when we just install it, the Pixellab already know that what we are adding is from that part, and the directory just shows the region where we put it. As you can see, it's not in any folder. You remember when we were extracting it, we didn't put it in any folder. We just paste it in my device storage. We just paste it in my internal memory, in my internal storage. So that's why our directory is the first page. We didn't open any font. So now the next step is to click on this option here. Once you click on it, you go to your internal storage, and let's just sort by newest. Then we'll locate the font. So where's the font? Oh boy. Okay, let me just go to recent. Why can't I find the font? Okay, this is so this is the font we just downloaded. This is it, this one here. So you just tap on it, then click on select. I usually do it like 3 times just in case, but as you can see, I've clicked select and it took me back to Pixellab. If you search for it now, you are going to find the font. This is the font. Yeah, this is the font. So this is the font we just downloaded now. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. I remain C Graphics.